We have a recipe for caramel apples to satisfy your sweet tooth as we head into the fall season. Joining us right now is ELNM contributor Paloma Camacho. Paloma, wow. All I can say.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
These look delicious. I'm so excited to try it.
I enjoyed making them. I hope you enjoy them.
All right, let's give it a quick
Let's
try.
try it out.
Wow.
Tastes like fall.
Yes, I'm bringing this to class later. For sure. Great job, Paloma.
Thank you.
If you're still in the mood for a treat, Oak House is celebrating their 5-year anniversary at Elon today with free cookies, beer tastings, fine $5 wine specials, and live music starting at 5:30.
After the Oak House, head over to upstairs Lakeside for back to school bingo starting at 10:30.